All right, guys, welcome to the first Words Their Way lesson, where I'm going to show you the spelling rule or pattern for the week's words. So for this week, we're looking at R-influenced vowel patterns. So notice that all of these words or pieces of words have an R at the end of the word or close to the end of the word. And that R influences the vowel pattern. Remember, our vowels are A, E, I, O, U, sometimes Y. And in these words, or in these patterns, we're looking at ER, EAR, and EER. And we're seeing how the R following the vowels influences or dictates what the vowel sounds like. So if it's just ER in the word, especially at the end of the word, that sound is going to be as in the word her. If the R comes after an E and an A, usually that sound is going to make ear, as in the word ear. Okay, so notice this is kind of a long E sound instead of that it's ear. If it's two E's followed by an R, it also makes a long E sound, ear, as in deer. Now, this one's a little tricky because sometimes you'll have the same combination EAR, like over here, but instead of making ear with a long E sound, it makes Usually we see that if there's a consonant or letter after the R, as in the word earn. Okay, so notice there's a difference between ear and earn. We don't pronounce this earn, pronounce it earn. All right? So I'm going to show you some words. And I want you to think about where that word might fit, which category that would go into. So there's an R at the end. If you said year, you're right. Now, why wouldn't it go over here? Well, there's nothing after the R, is there? So that might be a good clue. How about this one? ER in the middle of a word, followed by a letter. But we know that if it's just the ER by itself, it makes that sound, as in fern. Double E followed by R, peer. Okay. Is this heard? EAR, but it's followed by a letter. So it seems to match this one. And if it's followed by a letter, that EAR sound equals heard. ER is clerk. ER, germ. EAR, N, learn. EAR, no letter, near. EAR, letters, earth. Double E, steer. Steer, this is the steer that's like a cow. The animal steer, not steer a car. Fear. Perch. That's a fish. Cheer. Deer. Clear. And herd. Okay, so those are our sorts, or that is our sort for this week.